Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the Indesit Tumble Dryer and how to clean the filter. The filter is a really important part of your tumble dryer because it catches lint and fluff while it's drying your laundry. And ideally you want to check the filter after every drying program because these can get blocked up really quickly. First of all, open the tumble dryer door. I've already emptied the laundry. We've got these laundry drying balls. I'm not sure they actually make any difference, but they're meant to. To remove the filter, gently pull it upwards. Now don't empty this into the sink, you want to hold it over a bin. Now on this particular model, you just prise it apart in the middle and pull it outwards on either side. And there we go, that's where all the fluff and lint is caught. Now this is very easy to get into the bin, you can just literally kind of peel it off, very therapeutic. Then put that straight in the bin. You can use a vacuum cleaner on this with a brush head just to get off every tiny bit of fluff, but this is good enough just to remove the main parts. Then gently close it back up and it clips into place. Now before you reinstall it, just check to make sure there's no fluff around where the filter goes back in. If there is, you can just try and get your fingers in there, but if you've got sausage fingers like me, it's pretty difficult. You can just use a vacuum cleaner nozzle, just get rid of as much fluff as you can. Generally there shouldn't be too much fluff inside here. Once you've removed all of that, you can reinstall the filter. It can only go in one way round, don't force it, it just gently slots in and it's that simple. These were the balls that I was talking about, which helps dry your clothes, keeps them from sticking together. And now the filter is all clean, I can put some more laundry in that's wet and get that dried. Whilst the Indesit Tumble Dryer is drying this sheet, I'll put some other useful Indesit Tumble Dryer videos around the edge of the screen. And now I need to find out who ate my cheese and onion crisps. I've just noticed those in the bin. Oi, oi! Right, someone's in trouble.